Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a place so lovely, a place that whispers promises of tranquility and beauty. It feels like a dream, a meticulously crafted, hand-molded dream. This is Switzerland, as seen through the whimsical lens of claymation. A land of towering peaks and charming valleys, all brought to life with a touch of magic. We're going on a special claymation walk, a journey through a miniature world filled with wonder. We'll meander through tiny villages, each one a testament to simple beauty, and traverse across vibrant green fields that stretch as far as the eye can see. The sun is waking up, stretching its golden fingers across the landscape. It's painting the sky in soft pinks and golds, a breathtaking masterpiece unfolding before our very eyes. The colors blend and swirl, creating a canvas of warmth and serenity. The air is fresh, crisp and invigorating, scented with the earthy aroma of pine and the delicate sweetness of morning dew. It fills our lungs with a sense of renewal and anticipation. Birds sing hello, their cheerful melodies echoing through the valleys as we step into our enchanting claymation world. We're greeted by a symphony of nature's music, a harmonious welcome to this magical place. Our boots thump softly on the grassy path, a gentle rhythm accompanying our exploration. We're surrounded by bright, cheerful grass and flowers, a kaleidoscope of colors dancing in the gentle breeze. The meadow is alive with vibrant hues, a testament to nature's artistry. Swiss villages wait for us, nestled amongst the rolling hills. They're tucked into valleys or perched on hillsides, appearing like perfect toy towns, meticulously arranged and brimming with charm. Each village holds a unique story waiting to be discovered. Made of wood and stone, these quaint houses exude a rustic elegance. Wisps of smoke curl lazily from chimneys against the clear blue sky, painting a picture of cozy domesticity. It's a scene that evokes feelings of warmth and comfort. Someone is making breakfast. The aroma is warm and inviting, like freshly baked toast wafting through the air. It's a tantalizing scent that awakens our senses and makes our stomachs rumble. Let's go explore. Adventure is calling, beckoning us to uncover the hidden gems of this claymation paradise. The peace and calm here wrap around us like a warm blanket. Everything feels gentle, like a soft morning hug, reassuring and comforting. The villagers are ready to share their secrets, their stories etched into every cobblestone and wooden beam. We're happy to be here, together, ready to listen and learn. The day is just beginning, a blank canvas full of promise and endless possibilities. Flowers peek out, vibrant red, serene blue, cheerful yellow, waving gently in the breeze, adding splashes of color to the already picturesque landscape. The grass is bright as a new crayon, a lush carpet of green stretching out before us. Little birds chirp, welcoming the day with their sweet melodies, filling the air with joy. The world is quiet, peaceful, a sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Our journey starts with a smile, a reflection of the happiness and wonder that surrounds us. Let's see what wonders await, what hidden treasures we can uncover in this magical land. Switzerland is calling our names, inviting us to embark on an unforgettable adventure. Walking here is unlike anything you've ever experienced. It's as if the very ground beneath your feet encourages a sense of lightness, a feeling of freedom. It's like floating, drifting gently through a landscape crafted from dreams. The air itself seems to hum with a quiet energy, lifting your spirits with every breath. Each step is light and easy, a gentle caress against the earth. The paths are soft under our clay feet, squish, squish, yielding with a comforting give. Cobblestones, worn smooth by time, offer a subtle texture, a reminder of the history embedded in this place. It's a sensory experience, a dance between our feet and the world beneath them. We wander slowly, without a care in the world. No need to hurry. Time seems to slow down, allowing us to fully absorb the beauty that surrounds us. The world moves gently, like a sleepy river, carrying us along its current of tranquility. There's a sense of peace that permeates everything, inviting us to simply be present in the moment. We breathe deep, filling our lungs with the crisp, clean, fresh air and smile. A genuine, heartfelt smile that reflects the joy we feel in this moment. The air is invigorating, a tonic for the soul, washing away any lingering stress or worry. It's a breath of pure, unadulterated bliss. Majestic mountains watch over us, their snow-capped tops touching the clouds. They stand as silent guardians, their presence both comforting and awe-inspiring. Their peaks, shrouded in mist, seem to whisper ancient secrets, adding to the mystique of this enchanted place. Lakes sparkle like blue jewels, scattered across the landscape, so clear you can see your face reflected in their depths. The water is pristine, reflecting the sky above like a mirror, creating an illusion of endless space. It's a mesmerizing sight, a testament to the untouched beauty of nature. Forests whisper secrets as the wind rustles the leaves, creating a symphony of sound. The trees sway gently, their branches reaching towards the sky like welcoming arms. It's a picture book come alive, a vibrant tapestry of colors and textures that captivates the senses. Peace wraps around us, enveloping us in a sense of calm, like a cozy blanket on a cold winter's night. The world seems to slow down, allowing us to fully appreciate the simple beauty that surrounds us. It's a sanctuary, a place where we can escape the stresses of everyday life and reconnect with our inner selves. Nature's music fills the air, a cowbell, its gentle clang echoing through the valleys. A distant waterfall, its cascading waters creating a soothing melody. A buzzing bee flitting from flower to flower, collecting nectar in the warm sunshine. Every turn brings a new view, a hidden bench inviting us to pause and soak in the scenery. A tiny bridge over a babbling brook, a charming detail that adds to the whimsical atmosphere. The water chuckles as it flows, dancing over smooth stones, telling stories to the stones. We listen and laugh along, captivated by its playful energy. It's a reminder to embrace the simple joys of life, to find beauty in the everyday moments. This walk is a dream, a surreal and enchanting experience full of gentle surprises. Each corner we turn reveals a new delight, a hidden gem that sparks our imagination. It's a journey of discovery, a chance to reconnect with our sense of wonder. The quiet joy here is simple and pure, untainted by the complexities of the modern world. We hum a happy tune as we go, our hearts filled with gratitude for this magical experience. It's a feeling of contentment, a sense of belonging in this idyllic landscape. Each step brings us deeper into this lovely world, further away from the ordinary and closer to the extraordinary. It's a journey of the soul, a chance to escape the mundane and embrace the magic that lies within. The mountains rise, majestic and grand, like kings with snowy crowns. Even in summer, they stand tall against the blue sky. We feel small but safe beside them. Lakes mirror the sky and mountains clear as glass. Sometimes a wooden boat glides by, rippling the water. Forests are magical, with sunlight dancing on the path. The air smells of pine and rich earth. If we're quiet, we might spot a squirrel or a shy deer. Meadows stretch out, dotted with wildflowers, red, yellow, purple, blue. Butterflies and bees flutter from bloom to bloom. It's a party for tiny creatures, and we're invited to watch. Now we reach a village, so pretty, so charming. Houses of warm, aged wood look cozy, like gingerbread from a fairy tale. Windows have painted shutters and flower boxes bursting with colour. Geraniums, petunias, daisies cascade down the walls. The narrow cobbled streets wind gently, our clay feet clippity-clop on the stones. No cars rush by, just people strolling, maybe a sleepy cat in the sun. The village square has a cheerful fountain, water splashing merrily. Some houses have painted pictures or old dates carved in wood. Each house is unique, full of stories and smiles. These homes have seen many winters and summers. The village feels alive with history. Every corner invites us to pause and enjoy. The air is filled with warmth and welcome. We feel at home, even as visitors. This is village life at its sweetest. Listen closely. Can you hear it? Cowbells clang and tinkle across the lush green meadows, their sounds echoing through the valleys. It's a symphony of the Swiss countryside, a gentle reminder of the simple life. The air is filled with the sweet scent of wildflowers and the earthy aroma of the soil. Swiss cows, gentle and friendly, graze contentedly in the sun-drenched fields, their bells creating a melodic backdrop to the day. They chew on the sweet grass, converting it into creamy, rich milk that will nourish the village. These cows are more than just livestock, they're an integral part of the community. Nearby, nimble goats climb rocky hills with incredible agility, their hooves finding purchase on the steepest slopes. They watch us with curious eyes, their gaze intelligent and knowing. These mountain goats are a symbol of the rugged beauty of the Swiss Alps. Village life moves in harmony with the sun, farmers in fields, tending to their crops with care and dedication. They work the land, nurturing the soil and coaxing forth the bounty that sustains the community. Their hands are calloused, but their hearts are full. Bakers rise before dawn, their hands kneading dough with practiced ease, creating loaves of fresh bread that will fill the village with warmth and comfort. The aroma of baking bread is a constant reminder of the simple pleasures of life. The smell drifts through the village, a tempting and warm invitation to start the day with a hearty breakfast. It mingles with the crisp mountain air, creating an intoxicating fragrance that awakens the senses. Children walk to school, their laughter echoing through the streets as they chat and play with friends. Their bright eyes and cheerful spirits are a testament to the joy of childhood in this idyllic setting. It's a simple, honest life, full of quiet joy and contentment. There's a sense of community here that's rare and precious, a feeling of belonging that warms the heart. In the afternoons, people tend their gardens with loving care, nurturing rows of vegetables and flowers that add colour and life to the village. They share their harvest with neighbours, strengthening the bonds of community, or chat on sunny benches, sharing stories and laughter with friends and neighbours. The pace of life is slow and deliberate, allowing time for connection and conversation. Grandmas knit intricate patterns, their needles clicking rhythmically as they create warm sweaters and blankets for their loved ones. Their hands are skilled and experienced, their creations imbued with love and care. Grandpas carve wooden toys with meticulous detail, bringing smiles to the faces of children with their handcrafted creations. Their hands are steady and precise, their toys a testament to their skill and dedication. Everyone knows each other, smiling and waving as we pass, offering a warm greeting and a friendly nod. There's a sense of connection here that's palpable, a feeling of being part of something special. Grüezi, they say. That means hello, a warm welcome extended to all who pass through their village. It's a simple greeting, but it carries a deep sense of hospitality and goodwill. The rhythm here is gentle and steady, a comforting pulse that permeates every aspect of life. It's a reminder to slow down, to appreciate the simple things, and to savor each moment. The village feels like a big family where everyone looks out for each other and supports one another through thick and thin. There's a strong sense of community here, a feeling of belonging that's deeply comforting. We're welcomed as friends, not strangers, embraced with open arms and genuine warmth. Their hospitality is a reflection of their kind hearts and generous spirits. The days are filled with purpose and peace, a sense of contentment that comes from living in harmony with nature and community. There's a quiet satisfaction in knowing that you're contributing to something larger than yourself. Evenings bring stories shared around crackling fires, tales passed down through generations, preserving the history and traditions of the village, and laughter that fills the air, creating a sense of joy and camaraderie that's infectious. It's a time for connection, for sharing, and for celebrating the simple pleasures of life. The animals and people live in harmony, respecting each other and sharing the land in peace. It's a testament to the values of the community, a commitment to sustainability and respect for all living things. Life here is slow, sweet, and full of heart, a reminder to appreciate the simple things and to cherish the moments that truly matter. It's a life lived with intention, with purpose, and with love. We feel lucky to be part of it, even for a day, grateful for the opportunity to experience the beauty and simplicity of this special place. It's a memory we'll carry with us long after we've left. Every village has its own tales, funny gnome tricks, brave heroes, or friendly ghosts in old castles. Statues in the square remind us of past courage and kindness. Some stories are spooky but never too scary, just enough to spark our imagination. These legends connect today with yesterday, weaving invisible threads through the village. You can almost hear them in the wind or the creak of a door. The village feels alive with history and a touch of magic. All this walking makes us hungry. Time for Swiss food. Cheese is everywhere, hard, soft, melty with holes or without. We try fondue, swirling bread in gooey cheese, and chocolate, smooth, creamy, and rich, a true Swiss delight. Rosti, crispy potato pancakes and creamy Zürcher Geschnetzeltes fill our plates. For dessert, warm Apfelstrudel with cinnamon and raisins. Every bite is comforting, a taste of Swiss heaven. Our hearts and bellies are full. Each village has its own charm. Wooden carvings, lakeside views, or ancient traditions. We see hand-carved animals, take a boat ride, or watch a spring festival with music and dancing. Some villages are tiny, peaceful hideaways, surrounded by wild nature. The reflections on the lake are like shimmering paintings. Time slows down here. We can just be ourselves. The air is filled with laughter and song. It's a perfect escape from the busy world. Our claymation walk ends as the sun sets, painting the sky in orange and pink. The mountains glow golden in the evening light. We feel tired but happy, hearts full of memories, meadows, peaks, lakes, and friendly faces, all treasures to keep. The peace of Switzerland stays with us. We learned stories, tasted delicious food, and met kind people. It felt like a gentle, lovely dream. As we say farewell, we carry this beauty in our hearts. What a lovely day it was.